Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to create a trending spirit reflections AI photo effect, a cinematic portrait style that's been going viral lately. And the best part, you can do it for free using Gemini AI, powered by Banana Google's newest instant image editing tool. First, just open your Gemini. You can open it through your browser or through the app like this. And then just log in with your Google account. It's super quick. And then once you're in, just tap on Create Image to activate the Banana. Or you can also tap on Create Image. Or you can also tap on Tools icon and then create images like this. And then next, just upload your photo. Just choose a clear portrait or half body picture for the best result. Just tap on plus button and then gallery and then just choose your photo. Like this, and then next. Now comes the fun part, writing a prompt. Before, I already made a prompt like this. Like this. You can just copy my prompt, just screenshot it and then just copy it with Google Lens and then just copy to your prompt box and then but feel free if you want to tweak it as you like to match your styles, like maybe change details as you like. Just feel free to tweak it. Next, I will just copy my prompt and then just go back to Gemini and then paste it and then just generate. And okay, like this. In just a few moments, Gemini will create your photo instantly like this. And then just look at this. The result looks absolutely cinematic, like maybe a real movie poster. Next, if you want more glow or dramatic, just tweak the prompt words like more smoke or more stronger backlight or maybe like add neon atmosphere and or just feel free to tweak it as you like and then Gemini will regenerate your photo. And okay, so that's how you can make the spirit reflections AI photo using Gemini Nano Banana. If you enjoy this tutorial, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you!